Harrius.
Hi, this is Henry. To me, one of the most powerful tools in Magic is the shell. Things like color changes, productions, finishes are made possible because of the shell. And all my friends know I love Rubik's Cube Magic. I've been doing Cube Magic for years, and a big part in my FISM act is actually using the cube. Designing a shell for the Rubik's Cube is not just a logical step in Magic, but also my dream for many years. For many years, I've been looking for a shell that I can actually use, but either they're not durable enough or you cannot use it for real close-up situations. But today, this is about to change. I strongly believe that this will be one of the most realistic shells in the market. And yes, you're looking at it right now. This will be something I want to use all the time to create powerful cube magic. This shell is not just realistic, it is super realistic. Your audience can see it in extreme close-up situations, and they will never suspect anything. It looks real and it feels just like a real cube in your hands. The shell is super thin, so your audience will not notice the size difference. And yet, the shell still fits perfectly on a cube. We have supplied extra stickers for you, so that you can use any stack for your shell. This is a very durable shell, and it will last you a very long time. This is my first shell and it's still working fine. With this set, something completely impossible before now becomes possible. Imagine your spectators mixes the cube freely. You put it directly inside the bag and it's magically soft. Or some very clean matching effects. The possibilities are only limited by your imaginations. This is a complete set, meaning that you receive a regular shell, a mini shell, 2 matching cubes for both shells, and we'll supply you 1 more extra cube for you to come up with your own ideas. We'll also supply you 1 velvet bag for you to protect the cubes. In the tutorial, I will share some of my ideas and routines. I will even share my most guarded secret in my FISM act, which in fact using the mini cube. This is not just a trick, but a complete set that will bring you infinite possibilities in cube magic.